What's up, you guys? Thanks for tuning in with me today. For the ones that are new, my name is Chrissy. So today, as you see, my hair, I went from what I showed at the beginning to this, and I look flawless. I did a really soft beat. I didn't do too much. I just went really soft and I styled this hair. Continue to watch this video so you will get the insight, and also tune into my next video so I will let you know how this unit is laid down and what I use to lay it down. But right now we're going to get into this tutorial, so keep watching. So we're going to get started. I'm going to start by prepping my hair. I usually always prep my wig, so by the time I'm done with my makeup, it is completely done and laid, so I can just get right into the curling. So I'm going to apply my foam. And I just normally get right into the roots of the hair. So it can lay flat and just comb it down. As you can see, it's like getting flatter than what it was. It's really puffy. I'm just gonna apply a little more because it seems like it's still a little puffy over here in this area. Just put it in a ponytail just to tighten down, comb it down in the direction that I want it to go in. Kind of pull it back off my face so I can apply my foundation in the areas that it needs to be in. I kind of overdo it with the foam sometimes, but the more the better in my opinion. I just use as much product as I need. Also, I have this little thing. It's pretty dirty because I always use it for this right before I apply my makeup. So I just lay it right on top. Ooh, it's not stretched out. Lay it right on top. And tighten it. Got like a little Velcro. So it's like extremely dirty. It's actually not as bad as it usually be. So there you have it. And then I kind of scoot it back because like I really don't have that much trouble with the front as much as I do for right in the center of the unit. So now I'm going to get right into the makeup. So you always want to make sure that your hands are washed before you apply your makeup or touch your face. I already prepped my skin. It looks pretty oily right now, but I prepped it already. So I'm just going to get right into it. I'm just going to do step by step. It's going to be extremely quick. So I am now complete with my makeup, so I'm going to take this off. When I have it like that for a long time, it dries normally. It's not that damp, but I'm going to dry. I'm going to put the blow dryer to it. So the next step I'm going to do, I am going to get my powder, and I'm going to get my angle brush, and I'm going to just dip it in there. It's kind of crushed on the side, so it's really pigmented, so I don't want too much, and I just apply it. This wig is extremely like, it gives me the natural feel, so I don't really like to do baby hair with this unit. So I am going to apply my heat protector. And I just run my fingers through my hair because I don't like when my hair is overly oily, but I do like when my hair has a nice shine to it. So I really make sure I get the front of the hair so the hairs can lay down and won't be like all in my face. I really hate when I take a picture of something and the hairs are just standing up, or they're like all in my face or getting caught onto my lip gloss. And I'm just going to use my wand curl and I'm going to curl it back. The way I want the curls, I want them to be going backwards instead of forward, so I twist going to the back of me. Look at the cords like hanging dead in my face. So I just hold it for a minute. I counted to like 10 seconds, and you know. So as you can see, it's like a nice wave to it. I just wanted to do a demonstration on the front of the hair and let you guys see it. So now I'm going to move towards the back. The hairstyle is done. I really don't want to rub my fingers through it. I like how the curls are right now. So I'm going to spray just a little hairspray on it. I'm not going to spray too much hairspray because I want them to fall softly and I don't want it to be like a crunchy hairstyle. So I'm not going to do that much of hairspray, just a little bit, just so I don't have any static up here. Actually, I'm just going to do that now. I'm just going to use my Got2b spray and just kind of rub down on the curls, and I always just kind of hold the ends tight just so they don't be like all over the place. But this is the finishing look. I just wanted something classy. I didn't want to do baby hair or anything. Also, I'm gonna spray some, as you can see now, like I have a string. You probably see it closer than I could. So I just kind of rub along the front of the hair. Just put it on my fingertips. And, okay. All right, that string is just gonna do what it's gonna do. So I just wanna get this and kind of like make the hair a little bit bigger, as you can see how it went from, you know. But this is the finishing look. I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. This hair is from AliGrace. AliGrace is affordable. I love how good the lace lays, and I've had this unit. If you see the time frame from my last video until now, you will see how long I had this unit, and it's still good quality. It's so thick, it's perfect thick. Like, it's not heavy thick, but it's full. As you can see, it holds curls very well, and you can't go wrong with the AliGrace unit. Go right down to my description box and hit that link. Don't forget to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I know, you know, we all know you enjoyed this video. Thanks for tuning in.